The electric vehicle landscape is changing at a blinding speed. For a long time, Tesla was the undisputed king of the electric road, setting the standard for speed, technology, and range. But the rules of the game are completely shifting. The Chinese automotive industry is bringing absolute heat to the global market, and the vehicles they are rolling out in 2026 are nothing short of extraordinary. These automakers are not just copying what has been done before. They are pushing the boundaries of what a car can be, delivering designs that look like they belong in a futuristic science fiction movie. They are packing extreme horsepower, unbelievable luxury interiors, and advanced battery technologies that make range anxiety a thing of the past. From massive digital screens that rival your home theater to intelligent driving systems that can navigate complex city streets on their own, these cars are built to dominate. If you love cars, you cannot ignore this massive wave of innovation. The competition is fiercer than ever, and the European and American legacy brands are officially on notice. Here are the top 5 insane Chinese cars coming in 2026 that you absolutely will not want to miss. Number 5. Lynk & Co Z10. The 2026 Lynk & Co Z10 is arriving as a massive wake-up call to the luxury electric sedan market. This vehicle is designed to make a bold statement, bringing a striking fastback shape, aggressive daytime running lights, and a sleek aerodynamic profile that commands attention. The dramatic curves and a wide stance give it a powerful presence that effortlessly blends sportiness with pure elegance. Inside, the cabin feels much more like a high-end luxury lounge than a traditional car interior. It features an incredibly clean dashboard with massive digital screens that wrap around you. The use of premium, soft-touch materials and incredible ambient lighting creates an atmosphere of pure comfort. But the real magic happens underneath the beautiful bodywork. Built on an advanced high-voltage platform, this electric vehicle is designed for serious road trips and effortless daily commuting. Equipped with the latest battery technology, you can experience a rapid 12-minute charging cycle that brings the battery from 10 to 80%, getting you back on the highway in record time. It delivers exhilarating acceleration and a silent, perfectly balanced ride that absorbs every single bump in the road. Expected to start around $45,000, the Z10 gives you top-tier luxury car energy at a price point that makes the competition very uncomfortable. Number 4. XPeng G6 Ultra. The 2026 XPeng G6 Ultra completely redefines what a smart electric crossover should be. For years, people have looked at mid-size electric SUVs and felt they were all starting to look exactly the same, but the G6 breaks that mold entirely. It features a beautifully sculpted body, an ultra-low drag coefficient for maximum efficiency, and futuristic LED lighting that wraps around the entire vehicle to create a stunning visual signature. XPeng is pushing the absolute boundaries of physical artificial intelligence, and the 2026 G6 Ultra is packed with their new VLA2 intelligent driving system. This means it has an insane level of autonomous capability. It can easily navigate complex city streets, park itself perfectly in tight spaces, and smoothly cruise down the highway without the driver having to intervene. Step inside, and you are greeted by a beautifully designed cabin that focuses purely on the driver experience. It features incredibly soft materials, a massive central touchscreen, and a steering feel that has been perfectly tuned to deliver a relaxed but confident ride. Powered by the latest breakthrough in solid-state battery architecture, the G6 Ultra offers tremendous range and the kind of fast charging capability that keeps you moving on long journeys without stress. With pricing expected to start around $40,000, the XPeng G6 Ultra is a beautifully intelligent machine ready to dominate. Number 3. Zeekr 7 GT. The 2026 Zeekr 7 GT is an absolute masterpiece on wheels, blending the practicality of a spacious family car with the brutal performance of a dedicated supercar. Just looking at this vehicle, you know it means serious business. It features a stunning, elongated shooting brake roofline, a wide athletic stance, and aggressive styling that makes it look incredibly fast even when it is parked in your driveway. Under the surface, the Zeekr 7 GT is built on a full 900-volt electrical architecture, which is a massive leap forward in electric vehicle technology. It is offered with an incredibly potent dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that produces a staggering amount of power, launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. This is where advanced battery technology truly shines and changes the game. The 7 GT utilizes next-level energy storage, allowing it to achieve up to 540 miles of driving range on a single charge. When it finally comes time to plug in, the ultra-fast charging system can add nearly 400 miles of range in just 10 minutes. The interior is just as dramatic, featuring a massive augmented reality head-up display, a crystal-clear central screen, and luxurious seating that makes every drive feel like a special event. Starting at around $35,000, the Zeekr 7 GT completely rewrites the rules of the road. Number 2. Huawei Ato M6. The 2026 Huawei Ato M6 is exactly what happens when one of the biggest technology giants in the world decides to build the ultimate smart SUV. This vehicle is a masterclass in modern design, featuring a smooth enclosed front end, striking headlights, and a deeply sculpted body that practically glides through the air with zero resistance. What makes the Ato M6 so incredibly special is the supercomputer operating behind the scenes. It features Huawei's latest Qiankun autonomous driving system, which uses a roof-mounted LiDAR and a complex array of sensors to map the world in real time. This allows the M6 to safely navigate the most chaotic city environments without relying on pre-programmed high-definition maps. Inside the cabin, you are completely surrounded by the Harmony OS ecosystem, which seamlessly connects your digital life to the car. The interior feels like a luxury private cinema, complete with zero-gravity seats that recline perfectly, a massive rotating display, and an incredible 21-speaker audio system that delivers breathtaking concert hall sound. You can choose between a pure electric version, equipped with a massive battery for long-range driving, or an extended-range hybrid version that provides over 800 miles of total driving distance. With rapid charging capabilities and a starting price around $36,000, the Ato M6 is a technological marvel that transforms every daily commute into a first-class experience. Number 1. BYD Yangwang U9. The 2026 BYD Yangwang U9 is not just a car, it is an absolute hypercar revolution that is putting the entire automotive world on notice. This breathtaking machine looks like a stealth fighter jet designed for the street. It features dramatic butterfly doors that open toward the sky, massive aerodynamic air vents, and an aggressive stance that demands absolute respect wherever it goes. But the stunning styling is only a very small part of the incredible story. The U9 is powered by 4 independent electric motors that generate an unbelievable 1,300 horsepower. This mind-blowing configuration allows the car to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a face-melting 2.3 seconds, pushing you back into the seat with the force of a roller coaster. Powering this beast is BYD's legendary lithium iron phosphate blade battery technology, which provides exceptional safety, brilliant thermal management, and incredible endurance on the track. What makes the U9 truly unique is its advanced DiSUS active suspension system. This technology is so sophisticated that it can control the vehicle's body roll with perfect precision, allow the car to drive safely on 3 wheels if there is a flat tire, and even make the entire car jump completely off the ground. Inside, the cabin is a beautiful mix of lightweight carbon fiber, premium stitched leather, and fully digital displays that make you feel like a professional race car driver. Priced around $140,000, the BYD Yangwang U9 is a testament to Chinese engineering and a clear signal that the future of extreme performance has officially arrived. The automotive industry is going through a massive and permanent transformation, And these 5 vehicles prove that the global competition has never been more intense. The days of Tesla holding the electric vehicle crown without any real challengers are officially over. The 2026 lineup of Chinese electric vehicles brings an unprecedented blend of raw power, breathtaking design, and futuristic technology that you simply cannot ignore. Whether it is the ultra-fast charging capabilities that get you back on the road in just minutes, the brilliant autonomous driving systems that take all the stress out of daily traffic, or the pure unadulterated speed that rivals million-dollar European supercars, the bar has been raised to an entirely new level. These cars offer extreme value, providing luxury and performance at price points that are forcing legacy automakers to rethink their entire business strategy. As these incredible machines prepare to hit the global market and redefine our roads in 2026, one thing is absolutely clear to everyone watching. The future of driving is electrifying. It is incredibly fast, and it is more exciting than we could have ever imagined. The world of transportation is changing right before our eyes, and missing out on this electric revolution is simply not an option.